Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to add more than 35 pictures on TikTok. You guys already know we can't add 100 plus images to TikTok native video editor. So what we gonna do for it? It's pretty simple guys. There is an app called CapCut. This is available at both in Play Store and App Store. Follow these steps for make a video with more than 35, 55, 75 or 100 plus images. Open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for CapCut and install it into your mobile. Now we're gonna do open the CapCut and add photos to it. Then we can give transitions to the cuts and here we can export our video. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.